Welcome to the cross-base range assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the booker rod, the column, the 4-leg base, the spider, 2 washers and 2 nuts. You will need a drill with a 16mm socket, a 16mm spanner and thread lock. Part 1. Place a washer on the end of the booker rod with the nut and apply thread lock. Thread the booker rod through the hole on the spider and secure it by tightening a nut on the end. Position the spider face down and secure the second nut using your fingers and the 16mm spanner. Part 2. Place the column over the booker rod and line it up with the spider. Grab the base, slide it over the booker rod and line it up with the end of the column. Apply thread lock, place a washer and nut on the end and tighten with the drill. The cross-base range is available in a table and dry bar height, powder coated in either anthracite or white. It has adjustable foot glides and is a functional outdoor base manufactured in Italy, perfect for any dining or office application.